All players are three-dimensional and wear the uniforms of two major teams. The teams have been added extra strength as in that the talent scouts have succeeded in recruiting two right grip marksmen. Together with a left forward that can get back behind the opponent's goal as the Gretzky position and a center forward that can go back into his own zone to build up the attack, there are all the prerequisites for taking your playing standard to new heights. Puck ejectors, plexi shields behind the net, and goal counters go without saying in Stanley Cup. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-quality table hockey game with official NHL team colors and logos. Number 2. Expertly crafted 3D players outfitted in Ranger and Bruin team uniforms. Number 3. Easy-to-move control rods, behind the net plexi shield protectors. Number 4. Puck ejectors in each goal, goalies move from side to side. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.